Meaning of diarrhea.
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 Diarrhea. Diarrhea is a condition characterized by frequent, loose, and watery bowel movements. It occurs when the digestive system fails to absorb enough water from the food and drink consumed, resulting in excess fluid in the intestines. This can be caused by viruses, bacteria, parasites, or reactions to certain medications. The symptoms of diarrhea include abdominal cramps, bloating, nausea, and dehydration. If left untreated, it can lead to severe complications, especially in young children and the elderly. Proper hygiene and hydration are essential in preventing and treating diarrhea.